Our next question is, use tables to find the acute angle theta if the value of sine theta is, very first one is 0.4848 and the second one is 0.3827 and the third one is 0.6525. So here the values are given. So for that values we need to find the angle which gives this value at sine table. That angle we need to find out. So if it is equal to sine theta, the theta we need to find out. So if we check this value in the table, and from that we can extract the angle which is represented by the table. Now it is sine, so I am taking sine table which has the value 0.4848. so here 4848 we need to check in sine table where it exists. So it all is starting from 0, and if you go down you have 48 value here, 4848. okay, now we need to search deeply. So we got it at the beginning only. This is 0.4848, so which constitutes 29 degrees 0 minutes. Okay, so the angle, so for sine of 29 degrees and 0 minutes, no need to write 0 minutes if it has. So sine 29 degrees will be having 0.4848 value. So the angle is 29 degrees. Now go to second one, which is 0.3827. So check this value in the sine table, 3827, 38. So here seems to be this one, nearly this one, 3827. So it is there, 3827 is there here, directly the value is direct. So which column it is having? So it is having 22 degrees and under column 30 minutes. 22 degrees 30 minutes we have a direct value of this one. So we can write sine 22 degrees 30 minutes will be having the value 0.3827. so the angle is 22 degrees 30 minutes. Next, consider the value 0.6525. check that 6525 where it exists in the sine table, 6525. So here 6521 is there, and after that 6534 is there here. So that means we can have 6521, and to get 6525 we need another 4 as mean difference. That 4 is having at what mean difference? At a 2 minutes mean difference we have that 4 value. Okay, 6521. So here for 6521 and 4 is, I am splitting the 6525 to 6521 and 4. So 6521 we got at 40 degrees 42 minutes. 40 degrees 42 minutes. At 40 degrees 42 minutes we got 6521. 40 degrees 42 minutes we got 42 minutes. We got that value at this angle, and 4 mean difference 4 at 2 minutes. So which will be added up so that you will get 4 minutes 44 minutes and 4. So 40 degrees 44 minutes is the angle. For that, if you find the sine, you will have this 0.6525. So what we did here, we didn't get approximate angle representation of this value, so we split this value into 2 so that the first part is having appropriate and exact value for the sine value for that angle, and for the remaining 4 as a mean difference. So for that mean difference we are checking the minute, under which minute we have that mean difference. So we got that minute value also. So if you add all these things, you will get 40 degrees 44 minutes as the angle which has sine value as 0.6525. Next problem is the one, use tables to find the acute angle theta if the value of cos theta is, the first one is 0.9848 and the second one is 0.9574 and the third one is 0.6885. So we need to find out cos theta whose value is 0.9848. So let's check in the cos table. 9848. So here 9848 here it is. So 9848 is at 10 degrees 0 minute. Okay, so the value is at cos 10 degrees 0 minutes we have 0.9848 value. So theta is 10 degrees. And go to the second one, that is 0.9574. Let us check the value in the cos table. 0.9574, 0.9574. So this is, I think this is the value, or you can take this one also, 9573. So we need 74, so we need that mean difference 1, so that 1 will be having here. So 9573 is angle for 16 degrees, value for the angle 16 degrees and 48 minutes. 16 degrees 48 minutes, 16 degrees 48 minutes, you are getting a value of 0.9573, and for that 1 minute you have a value of 1, so total 4759. So 0.9574 is split into 0.9573 and 1. 0.9573 is the cosine angle of 16 degrees 48 minutes, and remaining 1, mean difference 1, is representing an angle of 1 minute. So total it is 16 degrees 49 minutes is the theta value. So theta is equal to 16 degrees 49 minutes. And next value is 0.6885. Go for angle value in cos table. The value is 6885. So 6868. So it is 68 here, 6885. So 6885. So we have 6884 here, 6884. So another extra 1 is required. That 1 we can check in mean difference, but here it is 2 or something like, and here even if you go with here also 6871, you need a value of extra value of 19. So that 19 is not there here in the mean difference, so go with this. 6884 is the nearest value. Okay, so for 46 degrees 30 minutes, for 46 degrees 30 minutes you have a value of 0.6884, and extra 1 or nearby 2 minutes value is there, that will be given with 1 minute, and go with 1 minute, you will have 2 here. So it is 6886, which is very near to 6885. So now the angle is 46 degrees 31 minutes. So theta is equal to 46 degrees 31 minutes is the value of angle whose cos value is 0.6885. So next question is, use tables to find the acute angle theta if the values of tan theta is, so first one is 0.2419 and the second one is 0.4741 and third one is 0.7391. So check the value 2419 in the tan table. 2419. So here it is, 2419 is the value for angle 13 degrees and at minutes of 36 degrees. So 13 degrees 36 minutes we will have a value of 2419 for tan. So this is tan 13 degrees 36 minutes will give a value of 0.2419. It's a direct value, it is given in the table. So tan 13 degrees 36 minutes we will have a value of 0.2419. Consider the second one, 0.4741. Go to the tan table, 4741. So 4741. So we don't have 41. So it is 4748 is there, or else 4727 is there. So 4741 we need, and for this 4727 if we add 14, then we will get 4741. So that 14 which is in mean difference will be at the minute of 4. So here we have 4 minutes extra at 25 degrees 18 minutes. So tan 25 degrees 18 minutes, and we have 4 minutes in extra at the mean difference. So we will have 2 1 2. So 25 degrees 22 minutes is the value of the angle. Tan 25 degrees 22 minutes will be giving the value of 0.4741. Okay, so for 25 and 80 minutes you will have 0.4728, and for 4 minutes you have a mean difference 14. So if we add these two, you will get the required one, and for that the angle is 25 degrees 22 minutes. Consider the next one, 7391. 7391. So here it is. So 7373 is the nearest one to that. So after that we need 7391. To get 7391 we need to add 18 to this. So if you add 18 you will get a 7391. So to get 18 as the extra mean difference, the value of the angle is 4 minutes. So we need to add 4 minutes to get this extra mean difference, and this angle is 36 degrees 24 minutes. So I am splitting this one 0.7373 and extra 18 we are adding up to get the sum 0.7391. So this 73 will be available at 36 degrees 24 minutes, and extra mean difference 18 will be available at 4 minutes. So if you add up this, you will have 8 minutes, that means 263. So 36 degrees 28 minutes, tan 36 degrees 28 minutes, you will have a value of 0.7391. So first of all check the value. You need to check the nearest value for that, and from the nearest value find the angle value, and for the remaining thing check in the mean difference. From the mean difference you will get the extra angle. So add up all these things, you will have 36 degrees 28 minutes as the answer.